You know that feeling when you finally see $1,000 sitting in your bank account? And suddenly your brain freezes. Should you invest it, save it, or just spend it on something exciting? Don't worry, you're not bad with money. You're just not taught how investing actually works. I'm Booboo. I'll show you exactly what to do with your first $1,000 in fewer pets without confusing Wall Street nonsense.
Honors. Most people think investing is only for rich people in expensive suits. But here's the truth. The person who invests their first $1,000 correctly often ends up wealthier than someone who throws $10,000 at whatever's trending on social media. It's not about how much you start with. It's about understanding the basics. We need to protect your knowledge. If you don't have at least 1 month of basic expenses saved, investing is risky because life will happen. Your car will break down. An emergency will show up.
And if you're forced to sell investments at the worst time, you'll hate investing forever.
Let's talk about something uncomfortable. Credit card debt. If your card charges 20% interest and the market gives 10%, investing while carrying that debt doesn't make sense. Paying off high-interest debt is actually one of the best investments you can make. Once your base is strong, step 2 is choosing the right IRA is powerful. You invest after tax, but your money grows tax-free forever. If flexibility matters more, a taxable brokerage account works too. Different tools for different goals. Wealth isn't built in one day. It's built with systems.
Set up automatic monthly investing. Whether markets go up or down, you stay consistent. This removes emotion, and emotion is what ruins most investors.
Your first $1,000 won't make you rich overnight, but it will do something far more important. It proves you've started. That $1,000 is your declaration of financial independence. This is Booboo, reminding you, start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting.